Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, this is SYGTECH. Welcome back to another great video. So in today's video, I'm going to share my story about my very first DSLR that I bought 7 years ago. Actually, I started my YouTube channel, SYGTECH started with this camera. So this is the Canon 200D or SL2 in some countries. So 7 years ago, when I was shopping for cameras, I bought this particular camera to start my YouTube channel. Actually, I recorded more than 1,000 videos with this DSLR. Amazing camera. Believe it or not, this camera still works. No issues with this camera. Pretty cool, amazing camera. Back then, probably this was one of the best choices for content creation. So I bought it actually with the kit lens, 18 to 55. This is probably one of my used lenses for the past 7 years. Also, I bought another lens, which is the 10 to 18 for wider shots. But this lens is fantastic for close-ups. Also, this lens is great for some nice crispy bokeh as well, which you can get with this lens. The camera is great for stills, for photos. You have a viewfinder, flash, pretty cool camera. I took it to a lot of holidays with me. Amazing camera, but it has two small limitations. So the first limitation was the autofocus, although the autofocus is great, but sometimes the autofocus doesn't focus straight away, especially when you do product reviews. The second limitation was the recording limit. 30 minutes is still fine, don't get me wrong, but sometimes if you want to record more than 30 minutes, it's a small limitation. But other than that, this camera still works in 2026 after 7 years. Canon did an amazing job with this camera. It's built to last, fantastic camera. In my opinion, I'm still gonna use this camera. So yeah, it's a fantastic camera, but we are in 2026 now. So what is the perfect and the best upgrade to the Canon 200D? This is the Canon R50 V. This is a video-centric lineup from Canon, and this is the camera that I recommend in 2026. This probably is the best camera for content creation. So if you're a content creator like me, this is the camera that I recommend. This camera packs so many cool and professional features that actually are amazing, makes the content creation super easy. I already did a video about this camera. I'm gonna link in the descriptions down below, focusing on some very interesting features that helps the content creator like us. So make sure to watch the video. Not just that, this camera also is super lightweight. It's a mirrorless compact camera from Canon. Also, the kit lens is pretty cool. This is the 14 to 30 millimeter, especially the power zone feature. It's an amazing feature. So I highly recommend this camera with the kit lens. Also, I said earlier that with the Canon 200D, I had two limitations. These two limitations, now they are gone with this upgrade. So the autofocus on the R50 V is just insane. So we have 3,700 points, focus points. So pretty much covers the entire screen when you record videos. Also, the recording time with the R50 V is more than an hour, which is just insane. So this has been fixed as well. And not just that, packs so many other cool features. You can use the camera for webcam as well. It's pretty cool, like I said, super lightweight. As you can see, we don't have a viewfinder and a flash, but this is a great thing because it's a lightweight. Super camera in 2026 for content creators like me. I highly recommend this camera with the kit lens. It's the best choice for content creation. So if you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.